cigar myself.
Sexy, sexy. Oh, jelly in there. Yes, Jaja. Thanks.
Brother, man, I went up in here to see water there at the top. Cow skin and red peas. Up on the counter. Pecan rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want that one, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Read these people later. Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaydah. Hi. I'm currently in Jamaica, so I'm actually my happiest self. I hope you guys are having a great summer. I am. I'm so happy to be back home. I'm so glad that, you know, the travel restrictions are lifting up, even though I don't know, it may look like COVID is coming again, but nonetheless, let's live in the now, let's live in the present. And I just wanted to start this vlog off by firstly thanking God for waking us up this morning. Yesterday we traveled from Portmore all the way to Negril, and now we're on our way back to Kingston. We literally just had one night in Negril.
So we're driving out,
yeah, I hope you guys heard what he said. I don't know if the window would be too, I don't know if the window got too loud.
Yeah, but I say you can't just say it again.
Okay, so yesterday when we was coming up, we drove the what coast? North coast. So we literally went through like what, 7 parishes, and you guys know Jamaica have 14 parishes. Parishes are essentially cities if you're not Caribbean, by the way. So now we're taking the opposite end because we actually, well, I actually wanted to tour in the whole coastline of Jamaica. I've never done that. I've never actually visited all parishes, and for this trip in Jamaica I wanted to do that. Even if I don't stay in all of them, at least visit them and drive through and, you know, know what the coastline looks like. So that's what we're attempting to do today. What parish are we going to drive through today? To give them an idea. St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and where? Clarendon, and then we're going to go through Portmore and back to Kingston. I'm not sure what a vlog here is. I'm not sure what I'm call the title, but either may I think for call it country life in Jamaica, and just show you guys like the coastline, the pit stops that we do, that type of vlog, more like a road trip. And also we haven't had breakfast, so I'm thinking to do a quick breakfast Jamaican breakfast talk through for all of my UK and US subscribers. Yesterday I try to explain SHAQ, so I try to explain what my mukbang was to SHAQ, because I would eat curry chicken, I would eat pork, I would have some festivals. Some of the SHAQ I want to just do a mukbang since we are Negril in the night. The boys say I'm too extra. So I said, alright, cool. This morning, no, not this morning, last night we were reaching here, you did vlog the food I did eat. I said, you never want me to do no mukbang, so go away. So hopefully today now I can go down a quick mukbang, because I like him and catch a look of vlogging life now. SHAQ not the patience people. I don't know how I manage with woman, because the boy don't understand the lifestyle. Boy don't understand. I don't know what the good content though. Yeah. jelly in there. Yes, Jaja. Thanks.
Brother, man, I went up in here to see water there at the top.
Check out this similar. Mama, Shaki not like me, now I realize he actually hear me.
You're mad, you know? Yo, you know say nothing, you just depend you.
You know say silver car, you know say nothing. You know say black man, you know say sharp man, nothing.
Yo! What is yo? Where yo mean? And then a one man like him realize and him I suck up him ball out, so you are one way.
Then now you have to get the picture and say, ah, mad. No, Jaja. When you see how I said people, I'll my head set up. I think I'm going to pull out my ear today, now, guys. I think I'm going to pull out my ear today because see the whole light I set out there? And the edges, I do this morning, you know, I literally sweat this, I keep down my edges.
Hold it.
I mean, I put little, I put little way name on it. I put some of the argan oil something. When I'm telling some of the reds use, the argan oil foam something. And then the whole light I sweat out. So I'm planning to pull up my hair today.
On the big still, you know?
Let me see. Bomba! Look at Shaki jelly.
Big on my head.
I'm big jelly.
Yeah, you know, so when you're nervous, I'll be here foolish, you know?
I have anxiety.
Jaydah ready to drink through the paper.
Anxiety, name. I have really bad anxiety.
You want the jelly out of it?
Yeah, I made a sure one drink.
Sean never can chop it.
But chop it and bring it back.
Yeah. I can't go on, we bring it.
Yeah, my man done. You chop yours too? Alright, I'm gonna put this and come. Drinking some jelly water, guys. When you hear them, when you hear the Jamaica man them, I saw them go on. See how I nearly broke film neck, watch them now. I just show you how I go on. I'm smart outfit here. I'm gonna look a picture up on the jelly style. How you go? We need to get the aesthetic. We're gonna get it, yes, sir? In a local corner. I'm gonna try to get some content, guys, for the gram. So anyways, I'm gonna go on a quick tour of the outfits. Wow. Don't tell me so the traffic up below.
None of that.
Wow.
Come on, I missed the turn.
Don't do me that. Wait, add on time for our journey. So we can spin around, we can turn here, so if you're not too far. You have to redirect way. So that's that. I'm gonna show you guys a little journey now, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I really want to get to 3K, so let's subscribe now. Almost there, 3K. Thanks. All right, now back to the show. Guys, it's 10 o'clock now. We're not getting no breakfast yet, so I just try to find something to eat.
We just eat something.
I'm gonna try to make this bright light dark, because hell, yeah, this is show the island color now. We'll just reach St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland at the same place. There's the sign, we'll just reach Westmoreland literally.
Brother, we just left Westmoreland. We in a St. Elizabeth.
So this is the line?
Yeah.
So right there is Westmoreland and right here is St. Elizabeth. So we're literally right in between. The soup just a start?
Yeah, 150 soup. Yeah, can't do too much.
Soup ready?
Red peas.
Chicken food with red peas.
Soup on the can?
Just the soup, not the can. And I'm going to get some soup. Guys, I need to change my hair. It's annoying me. I need to do my lashes and my hair. I'm gonna show you the soup. You can show them the soup, Papi?
Cow skin and red peas.
Cow skin and red peas. I don't know it go already, you know. The color now correct. Alright, see them I say the color now. How is this, man? They only have for 150.
Yeah.
I just want something for Belgian people. You not drink me? You don't want a can either?
You gotta take a can.
Okay. Shakira take a can. Yeah, see.
Thick and rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want that one, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Shakil, how the driver go? Where you find the drive so far?
Brother. I'm just on reach on.
Shakil miserable for a young boy, you see people? The boy can kiss him teeth?
I have to drive.
I understand.
You think I look to drive?
That's why I mess up and teach me so I can cut to the side of the road, don't it? I can drive in a Kingston. I just want a quick look run through, you understand? Read these people later. From the way people because the lighting and mash me up. May I try to get some ice cold water now. The sun at dehydrated, my man. I feel so dehydrated and tired today. So may I try to get some ice water. We are going through. I think a Bamboo Island. This is name. I say name.
Come out there.
We'll come out. We're at the end now. We're not going to see it in the vlog. And may I try to get my picture, but Shakila fight me out. You have no ice? No, you don't know water, mommy. What should I say here for?
Yeah.
I said no igloo. Them have shop. You have water? Just water, more ice water. Can I have one please, one cold one? How much for it?
Take 2 water,
give me 2. Did that you say then? You need boy you not stop? Yeah, come take the picture for me jump out.
Where?
At the island the back of me. Alright, now go show.
Nah, sure, look.
Okay.
I'll be here after 3 you there though.
Okay, we get the content. How much for the water? What you say? $100? I'm going to change to some of thanks. Sorry. Thank you. $500, $250 for one water bottle? I find you like me gear, you know? Where you drive off for?
Dog, I think you gear $200.
No, I said, I asked you for $100, you understand? So I said, alright, I must more than so I gear $500. I don't have it going back for the change. The do. I don't have it today. And before we go and check you, stop the back of miserableness next to me and you boy.
You're foolish, you say I do it.
What foolish me do? If you drive off left me, I would not waiting for me to Jaydah get a change. Nothing, you just drive off so. Oh you blame me for this? Oh my there, go back. Thanks man. I said the rush with me now. Thanks. So we get a good change.
You don't have no way of going there, brother. I have work for going there. Forget
me
that.
hear you babes, I'm just say, take time. So get change. On the next we are run behind time, we are run right on time, we have an hour and a half left at 11 o'clock now. 11, 12:30 we reach at Kingston.
Who are Richard?
Latest. No, I wanna have that set.
No, it's a 1:30 arrival.
Oh shit. How long we have left?
It's a 137
I could see it go. Cause the journey I moved much quicker than yesterday, guys. How they take the north coast. But we don't know. True, whenever you take it, we don't know how close we're actually there. And also there's no traffic on the maps. Whereas yesterday was a lot of traffic. The only thing is that the road they might mash up SHAQ because the shade it look like pothole. So that's a confusing. And then the road them you know the rural road them stay in a well paved or nothing like that. It just bumpy and patchy and you know, country life. Oh look on the church of people. Come on now. It's the church, right? I'm gonna try to focus the camera in now, right? Good you know. Guys, we are in Manchester. Shakila chop up the road. Shakila mash up the road. Dog tired though. Guys, Shakila they are complaining same tired and he want to go big part. He want to go party. Okay. Can't still party though. So yeah guys, we're in Manchester now. I be a big house me see in Manchester, some serious mansion like one house pan a hill type of vibe. Manchester people, hello, hi. I'm on the island now. Hello. Single and ready to mingle. Hi. Yes, that's me. Not enough to sit on really here. We're in Manchester, that's it. Me just showing you the scenery now. Look here, oh alright. Yeah, we're gonna have to see this now. I have to see this. Not as clear as it could be. Is that clearer? Okay, that's not bad. Oh wow. Because I just wanted to say that I noticed that in Manchester they have a lot of red dirt. I don't know if that means that they have a lot of bauxite. That's what is a bauxite now? But basically a mineral in it. That's a mineral that Jamaica produces, and we use bauxite to make a lot of stuff like I don't know. Aluminum. My brain now works Shakil and Tan, if you know me I try to say. It says say what me I try to say, you know me I try to say. Dog say what you ever say, you know me I try to say.
I know we are into that man.
See the red dirt though me I telling about people, they mind bad man people. But just when my blow, just remember all of them days, I'm glad to catch you on camera.
What? Remember all of what?
When sandals say, hey, see a full week here, come and make content for it. Alright. You can bring a +1. Alright.
So,
I'm gonna bring somebody with patience.
So, we are going to reach.
So, girl, not learn how to drive. Girl, not learn how to drive in a Jamaica. You're not gonna teach me. You're gonna teach me how to drive.
I rent your car at one. Don't it? Yeah.
That sounds like a threat. Just remember, all of them look at times, yeah? But may I try to get the people the informative content to them subscribe for?
Brother,
may I get mocked?
Late for work just because what? Because me I carry you go Negril and come. I hear me balling.
I'm appreciate it. I'm telling you, I love you so much.
You know me I complain about
what?
Me I complain about the constant unnecessary things that we want.
Like what?
Like this morning we are cuss out 8:30 and 8:30 is still a spin.
Guys, we'll leave out 8:45. 15 minutes. It's 8:45.
8:45, you just start record.
That is such a lie. That is such a lie.
When you say the video now gonna take 5 minutes, it was 8:42 at that time. I'm not ask. And when we have to take the picture of them at 9 o'clock. When we have to take the picture of them, I have to say, get you the whole of the post at 9 o'clock. You go like 7 or 8.
But there's a question, my life choices, guys. Why am I here? Derricka, why did you subject yourself to this? Yeah, I'm not record content running again. Like, today will be the first and the last day. Where we are going, Negril? Yeah, I just come out of the hotel on minute for vlog. Thanks. Guys, the battery I did notice, so I'll see like this. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Kingston. Kingston, I'll come back on. I'm probably vlog for my camera, so sorry for the changing on my phone. Sorry for the changing quality. I'm mind the eating them. I'm mind the eating. These guys are hotels because I'm not seeing a sign for say a hotel, but at the same time the size of the house them not really make sense, you know, for Jamaica. At the first me I come through Mandeville, you know. So at the first me I see them house here. I'm so sure now, sit on them hill here, look. No, not that. Which one? Look on this, guys. It's a house, this, you know. A 1 yard. That is a church. Why everything's so big in a Mandeville? Whoa. The Mandeville money not normal. And up here cool too and nice. Compared to Kingston sun, like literally. We're not in an aircon right now, I'm not dead. Come on, a bush. I just wanted to let you guys know that we are in Grande. This is the last Paris before we actually get to Kingston. So, and the last one. We're past through St. Catherine. No, put more already. But me still should not put more. We're not going to go through it. We're going to go through Spanish Town. Okay. So this is this. Okay. So the second to last one, where they saying when they would declare.
Popping bottles, putting supermodels in the cat. It's talking real reckless. Now I'm about to take a tough day on the summer end. They say I'm crazy, now I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't see me cause I pulled up my other bins. They spend diamonds in my other bins. On your diamonds, I'm Korean, his best another key. Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call a paparazzi on myself. Live from the Mercer. Run up on Yeezy the wrong way, I might murk. Me in the G450, I might.
Oh, the that gas station here, want go? So we can't get to the front after we go to
I was in flight mode, I bought a Pyrex. I was in flight mode, and now it's fuck me, mijo. I was moving them kilos
I'm
up
talk
you.
to the people then. Hey guys, we are in St. Catherine now, and I'm so tired. You guys are probably now seeing a change in the quality. That's because I'm recording on my phone once again. Battery for the camera dead. I'm gonna close off the vlog. Or do you guys? I don't know if you want to see Kingston. I'm not see Kingston. But I'm gonna just show a quick clip when we reach at Kingston to just confirm say we'll reach at Kingston. We'll have to thank the most high for me to drive up on Negril and back safely. True? So give God in prayers to thank God for bringing me back safe and sound, you understand? I'm tired I hear my voice, like my voice I go away at the party and I catch up to me now, I'm not lie.
You all know that my dog even saying about this.
I get him fine. I get him fine, man. Him skin catch up fire now. Thanks, drunker people. So you can't get excited over drunker man, you understand? I need the internet. About 2 days now, on the internet. It feel good, but at the same time, I'm ready for connect now. Yesterday, it feel like 2 days. Me not have the internet, come up on the road. Me not have the internet, you mean yesterday?
From yesterday, man. Yesterday, 3 o'clock, 2. What time? 1:30 left there, but yesterday, I got like 2 days. And even 24 hours yet. It was extra.
I appreciate the people in my life, but I'm a bit dramatic. I understand, say just for 5 seconds and then I'm back to normal. But for the people that don't, I'm just stop coming around them. You understand what I mean? Yeah, my life is yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end on a good note. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, once I reach Kingston, I'll let you guys know that I'm there. And yeah, I'm hoping I enjoy the content. If you don't have anything specific, like I said, that you guys want me to record, food vlog, travel vlog, you want travel itinerary, like anything you want me to do, comment it, and then if I have the time, you'll try plan it another trip before I time for me to take off. Thank you guys so much. Akil, what we're going to say today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, that's from the beginning, yeah. Share, not them share things, and subscribe.
Share the rice.
Hopefully by the end of the trip, him have the content, something like, you understand? We have enough work for the pan him, but at the early part right now, by week 3 we'll catch the flow.
What stuff?
Bye guys.
Nothing. Like, comment, share,
subscribe.
See you then.
Catch it. Murder I am.
Non-sky. Forget the fame, forget the money. Make me
Guys, the line's full now. Let me see if I can brighten it. Hey guys, I'm just letting you guys know that we arrived safely, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just literally came back on just to say yeah, we arrived safely. I'm just chilling now, waiting. So I'll see you guys in another vlog. Again, if you have any suggestions, please let me know, guys. My hair is pissing me off. But anyways, yeah, SHAQ's trying to find some parking because we're just chilling out at the moment. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.